Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect bread box? Look no further, I have it here for you. This is a beautiful bread box from Nomotruc. It has a really unique design and I'm really impressed by the quality as well as how functional that it is. This bread box is a really generous size. You can see by the depth of my hand going in, you really can store a lot in this box. The entire box is made out of bamboo fibers. So the outside, really pretty. It does look like plastic, but it's actually not. So the top part and the bottom is all made out of these bamboo fibers. The top part is super cool because flip it over and voila, you have a beautiful bread cutter. The bread box itself has really nice depth, as I mentioned, and you can see that I can fit a lot of stuff inside of it. And what I really think is nice as well is it actually is really functional. So we've been storing our bread in here for the past few weeks, and the bread definitely is maintaining its freshness much longer than if I just left it out on the counter. And it is a good size box that really holds a lot of bread, but it looks really pretty on your countertop. So if you're looking for something that really will hold your bread, keep it fresh, and also has a lot of functionality, check out this bread box. It is really nice. You could use it for a variety of things to store, but I love it for our bread. But that's my point of view.